गया अब है endocrinology, learning objectives, an overview of endocrine system, pituitary and hypothalamic hormones, thyroid hormones, calcium regulating hormones, adrenal cortical hormones, adrenal medullary hormones, male and female gonadal hormones, hormones of the pancreas. Hormone, as classically defined, a hormone is a substance that is synthesized in one organ and transported by the circulatory system to act on another tissue. Any substance producing a signal for metabolic change is called hormone. Hormone. Paracrine action, its means act on the adjacent cell. Autocrine action act on the cell where they are synthesized. Target cells, the hormones greatly vary from each other in their chemical structures for different tissues and physiological effects. The cells on which a hormone acts are called its target cell. Hormones affected a single cell type or only a few kinds of cells that a hormone elicited a unique biochemical and physiological action. Hormone can affect different cell types. More than one hormone affect the given cell type. Hormone can exert a different effects on the given cell or different cells. Target cell. With the discovery of the specific cell surface and intracellular hormone receptors, the definition of the target cell has been expanded. Any cell in which the hormone lysine binds to its receptor, whether or not a biochemical or physiological response has yet been determined. For example, endothelium is a target tissue for insulin because of the presence of insulin receptor on endothelial cells. Target cell mechanism of response. Several factors determine the response of a target cell to a hormone. These can be thought of in two general ways. Factors that affect the concentration of the hormone at the target cell. Factors that affect the actual response of the target cell to the hormone. Determinants of the concentration of the hormone at the target cell. The rate of synthesis and the secretion of the hormone. The proximity of the target cell to the hormone source. The affinity of the hormone with the specific plasma transport protein, if any. The conversion of the inactive or active form of the hormone into fully active form. The rate of clearance of the hormone from plasma by the tissues or by digestion, metabolism, or excretion. Determinants of the target cell response to hormone. The number, relative activity, and the state occupancy of the specific receptor on the plasma membrane or in the cytoplasm or nucleus. The metabolism of the hormone in the target cell. The presence of the other factors within the cell that are necessary for the hormone response. Up and down regulation of the receptors consequent to the interaction with its ligand. Post receptor desensitization of the cell, including down regulation of the receptor. Hormone receptor. Hormones are present at very low concentration in ECF of range 10 to minus 18 to 10 to the power minus 9 mole per liter. This concentration is less than that of many structural similar molecules that circulate at the concentration in the micro to millimolar range. Hormones initiate their biological effect by binding to specific receptor, and hormone induced action generally but not always terminate when the effector dissociate from the receptors. These are hormone receptors, ECF content, hormone receptor cell type. Several biochemical features of this interaction are important in order to hormone receptor interaction to be physiologically relevant. Binding should be specific, binding should be saturable, and binding should occur within the concentration range of the acceptable expected biological response. Both recognition and coupling domains occur on receptors. All domains bind the hormone ligand, and receptor have at least two functional domains. A recognition, a secondary generates a signal that couples hormone recognition to some intracellular function. This coupling or signal transduction occur in two general ways by two different groups of hormones: polypeptide protein hormones and the acetylcholine, steroid, retinoid, and the thyroid hormones. Signal transduction of hormones, protein hormones, and the acetylcholine. bind to receptor located in the plasma membrane and thereby generate a signal that regulates various intercellular function, often by changing the activity of enzyme. In contrast, steroid and retinoid and thyroid hormones interact with intracellular receptor, and it is this ligand receptor complex that directly provides the signal to specific gene whose rate of transcription is thereby affected.